Hey there, I'm doing a quick shorts test, and I also have a tip for you. If you are in a position where you shouldn't sneeze, for example, if you absolutely shouldn't do it because, I don't know, there's a small baby sleeping, or your mom is, or someone else from your home or somewhere is tired or something, and it's coming up, you should just grab your bones here on your nose from all the sides, and when you go inhale, you just massage it up and down a few times until it stops, and there you go. It's done. You won't sneeze. So take care and see you next time.